Yo, can I give it a rev? F.A., can I give it a rev? Yeah? All right, we're gonna give this a rev, guys. Oh yeah. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. But right now we're on our way to a car show down in Jersey City, trunk or treat with the whole club. We got about 40 guys going, and I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna head up to Devin's house right now, clean up the cars a little bit. It is raining, so I mean it's not really a huge point of it, but still just like it to be a little bit cleaner. So we're gonna go do that right now. We're gonna meet up with Devin, clean our cars, get some gas, head down with the other guys, and then we're gonna make our way to the meet and win the best car club. You know, just how we do. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we're at Devin's house right now. I'm borrowing his helmet just because I wanted to try it on because we're fun. And we're just gonna, it is raining, but we're gonna blast the cars with some soap and water just to make them all pretty. And then we're gonna head out, get some gas, like I told you guys, and then we're gonna head over to meet our boys. So say hi, Dev.
What's up?
All right, guys, let's get it going. All right, guys, we're chilling at the gas station right now. Say hi, Dev. What's up? All right, so we're filling up right now, and then we're gonna get going. We're supposed to meet at 10. It's like 8:30, so about an hour drive. We'll get down there. We'll probably be the first ones there because they're usually late, but it's all good. So we'll get down there, and that'll be it. Devin's got a walkie on me. Over, Dev, over. That Mustang thought he could take me, V6, and he tried to catch up to Devin. That was the funniest part. All right, so like we called it, Devin and I are the first ones here. I mean, it's not surprising. We're very early. So yeah. Devin almost hit a wall. He was going a little quicker than he thought he was, and don't
have the grip in the rain that you do on the drive.
We're gonna go right into Home Depot right now though, because we've been driving for about an hour and we gotta go to the bathroom. So excuse us.
Early morning coffee doing its work.
It's doing its work. So we're gonna hop in, see if they're open on a Sunday, and hopefully they are, because we're gonna have a little bit of a problem if they're not. All right, we got our boy Mikey here taking pictures of our cars. I mean, who wouldn't? So here he is, his Subaru WRX. That thing's sick. That's a pretty fucking cool car.
But I'm just gonna pull the working one out so it's at least symmetrical.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Yo, rev that shit. Oh yeah. There it is. There it is. No, I just started it. What? 22s. Shit, man. Yeah. Guys, this is Nicki Minaj's Bentley that our good friend Tim has just purchased. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Those are you got rubber bands on there. We're seeing if we can get this down. No, come on, pull it down. All right, we got the boss rolling in right now. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Good, brother. Good. Good? Good? All right, man. Out of the rain. All right, well, right now, I'm driving Carlos's car. Yeah?
I got these bubbles coming out there.
All right, we think Carlos might have a flat. Yeah, you want me to keep going? All right, I think Carlos has a flat. But guys, check out the interior on this car. Look at this. This is pretty crazy. I can't believe I'm driving Carlos's car right now. This thing is insane. Look at this. I'm pretty excited. This thing's Whipple supercharged, making 600 horsepower. This is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Can't see shit out of it, but it's pretty damn cool.
Sick. Oh wait, here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here's your umbrella.
Don't think it in an umbrella, but not the car.
Here's your umbrella. And that's your snow plower.
No. This one's self-extending.
No, Devin, you guys really. I want it. Give me the keys. I'll give you the Mustang. Yeah. What's up, girl?
Hi.
How you doing? What's up, man? Yeah, what's up? Say hi to the channel. All right, we're going to Dunkin' Donuts. We're not doing this. Thanks, Steph. All right. Jeez, you're good. You're good. Oh, it's so warm. I forgot my wallet. Hold this. Record something interesting. Just hanging out in Dunkin' Donuts now because no one wants to go outside. Look at this. Look at it now.
Oh, that's a perfect time to FaceTime her. Yeah, look.
Look.
Hurricane. Fuck you. About moving my car off that flood. Can we do that?
Yeah. Dude, look at this. It's like it's completely flooding right now.
No, I know. Can we? Like,
Yeah, let's go ask them. Dunkin' Donuts. We changed the meet. We're doing Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah. Dunkin' Donuts takeover.
Really?
Sorry to the viewers.
there's a PG owner.
Yeah, sure.
It hasn't even worked.
I will literally pay you. Can you hop in my car and meet?
I'll do it.
He said, I'll do it.
He's like, fuck, he's like, hell no.
He said, I want to change into my food so I can drive, but I don't want to go out there.
Oh, shit. Yo, your shoes are fucked, Tim. Yo, if that white car moves, you can get out.
You get 2 double O's and number 5. 2 number 9. A large soda. 4 fries.
That's bad. Yo, this is red, bro. This is bad. All right, we're walking the fuck back now. Jesus Christ. I don't even know if you guys can see me. My camera's all blurred out. We're gonna go to the diner. Hey guys, so we got rained out basically. I'm back at the house. Everyone else I followed everyone else back to a diner, but it just I'm not feeling too hot, and I had to go do something at the house anyway. So I took off, then I went back home. But the Bentley that you guys are seeing in the video is actually Nicki Minaj's Bentley, the pink one that she had a couple years ago. My friend Tim, he owns that Bentley now, so that's pretty cool. But the meet got rained out. They wouldn't budge with their entry fee of $25, and we weren't having it, so we weren't going to pay $25 to stand in the rain. I mean, I'm soaking wet. I mean, I've been in the car for over an hour now driving, and I'm still soaked. My jacket's soaked. My shirt I got lucky with. It's dry now. But I'm gonna end the video here. So if you guys haven't already, please like the video. Check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification button so you get notified anytime I have a new video. Be sure to check us out on Instagram. My Instagram is 5.0_Joe15, and I'm gonna end it here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.